Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install an Excel add-in. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left, and you want to go down and select Options near the bottom of this list. Select Add-ins on the left side. And now where it says Manage, click inside the drop down here. If you want to select Excel add-ins, just go ahead and select that. If you had a COM add-in, you would select that option as well, or any one of the other options you have to pick from, and you would select Go. So by default, there are a few add-ins that are already built into the Office application here. And if you need additional ones you've already downloaded, you can select the Browse button and go ahead and navigate to the file location for the add-in file that it would upload and then become available in here. And you would check mark next to it and select OK to install it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.